In our last few lectures, we have discussed about the basic aspects of corrosion control, and we have seen there are many options which in combination or individually can be adopted to control rate of corrosion significantly. We have around 7 parameters, 7 options, starting from designing. And designing part we have completed. As we have seen earlier, there are around 12 design basic principles which are to be followed in order to bring maximum protection towards corrosion. Today we are going to discuss 2 different aspects. Number 1 is using pure metal, how we can reduce the intensity of corrosion. As all of you know that purest form of metal always and is absolutely corrosion resistant. Any kind of impurities in the metal will create heterogeneity, which in turn reduces the rate of, not rate of, actually corrosion resistant property of the metal. And therefore, corrosion resistant property can be improved by increasing the purity of metal. Improved purity will provide coherent and impervious protective oxide layer on the metal surface like aluminium, magnesium. The oxide layer on aluminium, if exposed to an alkaline environment, even if aluminium is absolutely pure, both the oxide layer as well as aluminium get completely destroyed. This is also to be remembered that highly pure metal cannot be recommended to be produced because of some practical problems. They are, in particular, if cost is a matter of concern and highly pure metal may have the disadvantage of inadequate mechanical properties like softness and strength, and in order to bring that strength, the thickness has to be increased, which is again a matter of concern, and therefore the purity aspect will be considered only when there is a possibility of formation of electrochemical cell where corrosion proceeds by electrochemical mechanism. This is all about what we can do to reduce the rate of corrosion using pure metal. Now we will be talking about using metal alloy. As all of you know that using metal alloy, corrosion resistant property of metal can be improved by alloying, and maximum resistivity against corrosion can be achieved by complete homogeneous alloy. Chromium is the best metal, that is alloying metal, for iron and steel, as it has self-healing property. Steel containing 13% chromium can be used for cutlery, surgical instrument and spring. Iron alloying containing 13 to 25% chromium, generally known as ferrite stainless steel, can be used for turbine brackets and heat resisting parts. This is all about your how we can reduce the possibility of corrosion by using metal alloy. This is all about today. Please go through the video carefully. If there is any doubt or confusion in your mind in any part, get it noted. We'll clear